Hi and welcome to 60 Seconds At, a series of 60-second videos in and around the Lake District. To keep up to date, please subscribe. It is well worth the steep climb to Aira Force and beyond to the Cascades. Owned by the National Trust, the paths are well maintained. On the way there are plenty of small birds and, if you're lucky, the sight of a woodpecker or even a red squirrel. The river named Aira is derived from the Old Norse, a gravel bank. A small arch bridge spans the stream just as the beck goes over the falls, giving a spectacular view from the top as the water makes its leap of 70 foot to a rocky pool below. There is also a second bridge at the foot of the falls. Both bridges were constructed in honour of two members of the Spring family early in the 20th century.